How to log in to your Venmo account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you're on iOS device. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, search for Venmo login. It will land you on this page. You can head over to any of the site. Let me move into the second one. It will be landing you on this official page of Venmo. In order to log into your specific account, enter your email address, phone number or username of your account. Once you have entered, now tap on Next. And then enter the password of your account. Or if you have forgotten the password, then click on Forgot Password. Follow the on-screen process and recover your password. Once done, enter your password and then tap on Login. You will be successfully logged into your Venmo account and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.